Almost there. I feel really bad. Really bad.
Hello? It is, yeah. No. Just have altitude sickness. I've had it for a few days. I'm descending with a group of people. One's a doctor. I've had some medicines. Well, I can't move anymore. It's getting worse. I can't keep food or water down at all. I'm getting lightheaded now.
Your name, where you came from?
Yeah, Milburn. Refuge La Fleury. Over called to something. Now I'm heading towards Arola. To a flat bit. There's a helicopter coming hopefully soon.
It's just saying thank you for helping me. I've just done a big puke. Thank you very much, thank you.
You have his number, right?
Get my phone number off him because I'm going to get you a present. Oh sorry, not right in your face.
You're
Thank you
incredibly
very
strong.
much. I'm not, I'm rubbish.
Super strong.
I've failed. My charity's going to be raging.
Oh, it's me again. Oh, it's almost that Barry in hospital. It's not been the best day, let's be honest. I didn't film inside the helicopter, I thought that'd be disrespectful, but it was a pretty decent ride. I I've just had mega nausea. They kept pumping me full of stuff, and eventually they put something in me that made me go to sleep, and I've just woken up sweaty, but fully healed.
There we go, so we're fine. I read through my insurance with a bit of trepidation, but it does appear that I'm insured for literally everything. And now I'm in Sion. I'm not sure if I'm outside the town, inside the town, but I'm just aimlessly walking forward, because that's obviously what you should do, eh? I'm just going to put my rain stuff on and walk for 10 minutes, because that's what I came here to do, right? Gentlemen, boys and girls, there it is, size of it. That's absolutely massive. Where is it? It's the Matterhorn, guys. Holy fuck.